Language severity measures. Do you use them? Do you need them? As I was doing research for a medical text that I co-wrote a chapter for, I saw that the use of severity measures that are attached to tests are all over the map. Generally speaking, if we use these severity ratings in the field of speech-language pathology, we use ratings that look like this. Many school districts, however, are moving away from severity ratings in favor of using descriptive terminology about a student's communication skills. So how is their communication affected? How is their educational attainment affected? What does this look like on non-standardized measures? I found a great chart that was created by the Maine Department of Education, and you can find it at the URL below. In it, they break down categories of what typical development looks like, as well as what mild, moderate, and severe deficits look like for the areas of language, speech, voice, and fluency. This chart is a real keeper that will be very helpful for you when you're interacting with parents to really help them understand what we're talking about. It's much more meaningful than just giving them a severity rating, mild, moderate, severe, right? This really gets descriptive and talks about the impact, and that really leads us naturally into the conversation of goals. Where do we go from here? How do we move these children forward?